Hi, Chuck Pinnell here with Pinnell Custom Leather, and in this video we're going to show you how to take care of your half chaps and full chaps even for the care and maintenance and to make them last much longer. Leather is a beautiful supple thing, and it's just like your skin. Anytime you have a piece of leather that feels dirty or grimy, it's just like your skin. You want to clean that leather off and rinse the leather, and you'll have much longer life with your products. And
Chap maintenance is a difficult thing to maintain because it's such a working tool in the environment that the chaps go through. If you're in a dusty ring, you really want to clean your chaps every day, and you just simply take a damp cloth and wipe the leather down to get those dust particles off of the leather. So this dust particles create sand, like sandpaper, and you take anything and you take an abrasive and rub and rub and rub, you're going to eventually wear through. So the cleaner your chaps are and the more well oiled and cared for they are, they will last much longer. This particular pair of chaps has seen lots of good wear, and you can see the elastic is starting to stretch out, which is an inherent problem with using the elastic. And so these are definitely ready to have new elastic panels put in, and you can see the wear marks of the chap is in good shape. On the other leg, however, you can see that the chap really has blown out, and you've waited too long to take and restore these chaps. At this point, it becomes more difficult because you have all of this irregular leather that has to be trimmed away and the patches, and it's just much more complicated and more costly to do this repair versus sending them in when they're at this stage. And you can feel that the leather has gotten smooth and thin here, and then we can simply come in and just add a patch on this very easily, much cheaper than doing this. And the other things to look for when you have your chaps or any tack is just look at wear marks like here. So here you can see the stitching has come loose from the constant wear and rubbing on the saddle. Again, this pair, the leather is paper thin. Don't go any further than this. At this point, we can easily add a leather patch on this and take care of this. And here, it's not that terribly bad. It could have come in a little bit earlier, and we could have addressed this and stitched this in, and then the chaps would have lasted longer before more major repair happens. And when they come in, we'll take care of small little things like threads like this and any other items that are on the chap. We always look them over really well. And if it has a broken zipper slider, we will replace the sliders. If we do replace the elastic in a pair, we will replace all of this will be redone. We'll have new elastic. We'll have new zippers, new zipper pulls, and we'll also look up the date that the chaps were made and then resize them to the original size. And if it's been some time and you've lost or gained weight, we can make a call to do a FaceTime or Skype call, and we can get new measurements. And we will have a video on how to take the measurements that will be very helpful as well.
Thank you very much. And if you need more information, contact us on the web, Facebook, and Instagram, PinnellCustomLeather.com. Thank you much.